How to sign up BetMGM in 2 minutes. If you would like to sign up or create an account on BetMGM, go to betmgm.com, or if you're on UK, go to betmgm.co.uk and select your respective regions. Once you've done that, at the very top right hand side, you can see login and sign up button. In this case, we're just trying to create an account. So just click on the option that says sign up and the golden icon on the top right hand side. Once you've done that, on the next page, you'll be asked to enter a couple of information. So let us just wait until this page is loaded up. Now, before you create an account, there are two ways to register. You can register with PayPal or you can register with Yahoo Sports. But if you want to create an independent email address that is not associated to either of these methods that are available, you can enter your email address right here. Then after that, just click on the continue button. After you click the continue button over here, on the next page, you'll be asked to verify and then enter your password and so on. So just hit the continue button and then also make sure to go ahead and then choose a password. Once you choose a password, make sure there are at least 8 characters, at least one number, and both upper and lowercase letters, and click the continue button. It will ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number in order to verify your identity. So make sure you enter your social security number, the last 4 digits, as well as your mobile number, and click on send verification code. It will send the verification code to your mobile number, after which you can follow up with the instructions and your BetMGM account will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to create a BetMGM account. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.